Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get Demon Slayer mod in Minecraft. Firstly, visit the official Forge website and select the version that corresponds to Minecraft 1.16.5. Download the installer and run the Forge installer. Select Install Client, open the Minecraft launcher and select Forge profile. And make sure it's running correct version of Minecraft, which is 1.16.5. Locate the Minecraft mods folder after you download it, press Windows plus R, update /Minecraft. Move the downloaded Demon Slayer mod, which is a jar file, into the mods folder. Open Minecraft launcher, select Forge, and when Minecraft starts, the mod should be active and you can start playing with Demon Slayer mode. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.